Hi viewers, today we've got an unboxing. Let's get started. Milwaukee Fuel, that's a good start. First off, slightly annoyed. What the hell's going on here? Oh, it's got a bit of damage to it there. Not a good start. That's no good. Milwaukee M18 CHPX heavy duty SDS. Looks unused. Let's have a look. There's some meaty chop. There's a depth gauge. £5 battery. Two 5 Ah batteries, unused, needs charging. How about that one? Needs charging also. We've got the M12 18FC charger, unused. So, not a bad little bargain. I bought it for about half price, half its retail price, so can't really moan about that. Nice hefty unit. It's got the anti-vibration system, AVS. Oh, I'm very pleased with that. With the exception of the dent on the box. But then again, beggars can't be choosers. So we've got the Fix-A-Tech chuck. This pulls down. That chuck pulls out. And we put that one in there like so. We'll charge up the batteries. We'll take a look and see how it works. Just took a quick look online. That's the same drill, Milwaukee M18 CHPX, and at the moment it's retailing at £553. I didn't pay £553. Paid £249.99. So half price, even with a dent. Some old big melted dent in the top of the case there. I'll take that for £250. Not a bad buy at all. So just looking at the drill, it's got a feature where you can actually lock the STS bits into the chuck, which is new to me. Seems like a good feature. So we've got the usual hammer and drill motion there. Hammer only at the bottom. Drilling feature at the, what's that, 2 o'clock position, and then approximately the 4 o'clock position you've got the rotor stop, so it's hammer only action. The specs of the drill: got the 2 5-amp hour red lithium ion batteries, 80-minute charger, kit box, obviously we've already seen, big melted hole in it, keyless SDS chuck, max drilling in concrete 25mm, max drilling in concrete 28mm, max drilling in wood 30mm, max drilling in steel 13mm. Weight of the drill with the battery pack 4.3 kilograms. Maximum percussion rate 0 to 5,000 beats per minute. No load speed at 1350 revolutions per minute. Impact energy 4.3 joules. So here we are, guys. Back with the drill. We've now got a fully charged battery there. Oh, it's a beast. It is a beast. Oh no. That is the first heavy duty drill I've seen that's got an LED on it. That is fantastic. Ooh. You can pretty much drill through the mantle of the earth with that. Good grief. Excellent looking drill. Thanks for watching. Until next time.